Did you know your brain is just as important as your muscles when you're working out? Let's talk about and how you can use it to supercharge your workouts. So, what exactly is the mind-muscle connection? Imagine your brain sending signals directly to your muscles, enhancing control and maximizing activation. Think of it as your brain's personal fitness trainer, making sure every rep counts. Why does this matter? When you're tuned in and focused, your workouts become way more effective. Instead of just going through the motions, you're targeting the muscles you want to grow. That means more gains in less time. Now, how do you build this awesome connection? Here are some practical tips. First, slow down your reps. Feel each movement and engage fully. Next, visualize the muscle working. Picture it flexing and growing with each rep. Start with lighter weights to really control your form. And always focus on perfect posture. Quality over quantity, folks. Unlock your fitness potential. Build your mind-muscle connection today. Remember, a strong mind-muscle connection can take your workouts to the next level. Give it a try and see the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on your fitness journey. Catch you next time.